Hey YouTube, so today I am going to be doing mini twists on my hair. I actually did mini twists a week ago, but I took them down. I probably had them up for like 4 or 5 days, but I took them down because I went to a graduation and I felt like my hair, like the dress that I had, my hair would have been cuter with a twist out, which it was. So now I'm gonna do them again, but I think I might do them a different way. Cause when I did them last time, I saw people braiding the roots and then twisting them. But I think for me, I'm just going to twist because I didn't see a difference. So the products I'm about to use in the shower are the argan oil shampoo, and it's pretty good. I don't know if I'm gonna buy it again though. I'll probably try something new after this bottle is done. And then after I use that shampoo and conditioner, I'm going to use the Tijan Honey Mask. And it's really good. I used to have it when I was younger, but I feel like I wasn't using it right, but I knew it was a good product. So I saw it in the store about 2 weeks ago, so I decided to grab it. And I did the hair mask again, and I loved it. It's so good for my hair. My curls are popping. So I'm going to go in the shower and wash my hair, condition, and then I'm going to put my hair in sections and put the honey mask on there, and then I will be back. I know I look pretty crazy right now, but after I washed my hair, I sectioned it into 4 pieces, not 4 pieces, but 4 sections. And I put that, the honey mask on, and I detangled it and then just twisted it. And I did have this in a bag, but I am actually going to rinse it out. But I had it in for about like 30 minutes. So this is how I just wrap my hair up with a Kroger bag since I have no shower caps. I just had it in here for like 30-35 minutes. So I ended up washing that honey mask out of my hair, and my hair feels so amazing right now. But I'm going to part it in 4 sections, and then I'm going to spray this heat protectant on my hair, and then I'm going to blow dry my hair. And then just a heads up, I probably won't make a whole thing about me blow drying my hair, but when I actually blow dry my hair, I always face the blow dryer down towards my hair, if that helps at all. But yeah, I'm just gonna blow dry it and I'll be back. Okay, I just got done. I know I'm just a little greasy in my face, but I just got done blow drying my hair. It didn't take that long. I just did, like I said, those 4 big sections, and they came out pretty good. But I'm gonna take a break real fast, and then I'll be right back once I start my twist. I'm back. So it's another day, if you can't tell, because I look different, but I just ended up not doing my hair today. I didn't have enough time to finish it. So I'm gonna tell you guys what I did. I just did 2. I like parted the back down, and I parted these 2 sections out. And I'm going to kind of do free parting. I'm not going to like do all these clean parts and everything. And if you see me looking somewhere to the right, it's because my mirror's right here. But I said last time that I'm going to do them differently than I did them about a week or 2 ago. So I'm not going to braid the root, and I'm just going to twist them from jump. And this time I'm going to, well, I used the Hawaiian ginger leave-in conditioner last time, and the Main Choice growth oil. But I think I'm gonna add some little foam with it. I wasn't using this one. I was using the Miel brand, but it was a red bottle. I'm not sure what it was, but I ran out. But this is just as good. But I'm going to start in the back, and I'm literally just going to like kind of just part a little section out. Just part this out. I think that's good enough. And you see it's not perfectly straight or anything. So I'm going to start with that. And I'm going to put the rest of this hair out the way. and get it in a bun. And I'm probably gonna start on like a pretty small piece. But last time I did them really small at the back, and I started doing them bigger in the front, and I kind of like the bigger ones better. But so we're just gonna start, and this is about the size I'm gonna do. Or I'm gonna try. Actually, I might take a little bit of hair away from that. So about this size. And so first, I would have some clips, but both of my clips broke. So I need to get some new ones. So first I'm gonna get probably that much amount. Well, this probably might have been too much. I'm just gonna put all over the hair. Put all over the hair. I was really thinking about doing this on wet hair this time, but since I liked it so much last time, I'm gonna do it again, just especially because I know it works for the video. So even though I am adding mousse, but I don't think it's gonna be anything different. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of oil. You don't need a lot. And then last time I like I keep saying, I braided it last time, but this time I'm just gonna twist and twist. And like I said, it might look funny at first and all skinny and stuff, but I promise you, you have to trust the process, because they came out really cute. But I'm just really nervous about not braiding the roots, but I don't think it really had a difference. And so I'm literally gonna twist all the way down. All the way down. Just keep going. And then I'm gonna twirl it with my finger. And they look a little stiff and funny now, but they're gonna be cute. They're going to be really cute. And they might not lay correctly right now, but I'm telling you, trust the process. And I'm just gonna be doing that with the best in my back of my hair. And I'll be right back when I'm done. So literally, just like this. And then I'm gonna take the hair that's up in here. And then just grab another piece and put this right back up. So now, let's go do the same thing and get this process going. And this is what I meant by trust the process, because at first it looks a little funny. I think I'm going to stay with this length. I mean, this width and everything, this length. I think I'm just going to start doing this small. But they're going to bulk up and get juicy like these. But I put a ton of mousse on it. That's probably why they did that. But I had to go get my lashes done. It was a last minute appointment or whatever. So now we're back. Same routine, same parting, same all of it. But I'm really done. I'm really ready to just be done with my hair. Because it's been one of those days, seriously. Too much stuff has gone on. And I just need to let it go. I just need to let it go. For real. So I'm gonna continue doing the same old parting. So I had a change of plans, and I'm not even home anymore, and I'm doing my hair at my friend's house because, you know, stuff happens, stuff get changed around. But I just want to show that when it comes to the front, when it came to like parting it, I would part it like going towards the wall this way, like in rows this way. but I still wouldn't part it. I would still free part, but just want to show you guys. And then once this is all done, I will show you guys how it looks. I am back, and as you can tell, my twists are finally done. I can't thank you guys enough for watching and sticking with me through this video. I will probably do another video showing how I can stretch my mini twist. And if you guys would like that, just leave a comment down below. And I thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.